mal ka runwang tai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang ka wal ka pai wal ka ron kin dang rau de jandang rau de diech an mak bangut gok bay nong la ti la no yen chang ka dung dit media ka tin tuo ka Junub Sudan ka na win mon endodien dung dit media me gwa la ro kon ko tung no ram la la ne ni chang ko yen ne ko la le ne tin gor ka ne ka dung dit media mi ran jo ma la jak kweling ka kwe share ka kwe like mu je wo share ka be like bane no wan kan dileng tung no ram ba ka shop ka bak bar kon la ne ka dung dit media me ba ja je ka ne kon dung dit media la te ka news la tuk la ka chang la te ka update ni ka te char la ka re yoga ka Junub Sudan la te ka analysis ka tin baro den lat ka tin charo den lat la te ka profile story ni quick core quick personalities la nas quick kumani quick political story ni nyin wi no ken kono gwa leng mu gwa mu guro bana kamyal kondial konne leng tung no na me mi jira jo ma la jak re jam an wala ga changa wal ga pai wal ga ron kin dang ra wuri jandang ra wuri die tin kon ba ga nong ye be ga lab de ni tin charo de lat ko kor jo ga me chuwa la rai kon ni chang ga kui lo ko ju be ko doctor yok ma char karne ni content cha ka kel ko ke ko nin tiri wan ga chang ba dak dien cha ga nong te chir la rai dien bulu no ba nyur do dien wo nyo no ga chang wal jok ko pai wal bulu no je lat ko jo ko ba content mana lim ni chang mo ko ban ba jo da ga tin ba ro dien wo tok tin an wal ga chang wal dung din media be nong update ni cher ga ta na cha ga la ke update den yam ba nong ye e wo honorable din jok shagor cha appoint la Minister of Wildlife Conservation and Tourism. Honorable Dina Jok Shagor ngai kone was a former governor of Jonglei State, kaya kone Minister of Education kumman malanam. So ram kel mete popularity ken ko runni kur man malanam ngai ken eri in one. So appointment no more cha accepted in one ka South Sudan, let's say it, particularly ke Jonglei State Chinese one Jilodian Jetet, ke o chamoy appointment ko kume, cha recognize. Mr. Keno, learn dan jen kan ideal, mular jako dinner jok chago appointment, they accepted. But, akul tete ban akul la Jordan, ko appointment is one, dinner is one person, me chiandela dinner is a good guy, urmugwa, me emerge political animal is a good person in the current politic pide kashi anbo laranbo rami man of consistencies me shongo do la chungatin ke choga dial ka la tok mi che yila ro na meten and is true kuja ka cha dwal kate consistent la ro me du na mandana e shar balat la ro me jetin bulu in term of Boran is a good person. He deserves to be appointed. Lord Rokesias, you know, can go out a continent. Regaton and Lagur Jogo and when there is event, we take appointment like this, Barrel Latin content Larana Yarka. Going up is a good person like the way we are talking of dinner, but Kamunde Yarto. Tinde quarter yar, ko we have experience of dinner, a quarter get a wall. Take over ye, go on to teach a yar. Tia yar made an can marajo de don tam. Tinkune laro, but cha point go I, but the mocane de con de jardina yar medan go kumede, kume take on. Dinner, la yarga ye, a members of his family. Chiman. She mandinai la yarga dinai ko kuare without knowledge of honorable dinai. Taban kuar which within個 position you meant and ministry care, for example, the former gubernatorial position ne yakon cup. A quan and ideal. Ko political culture te effect. Take a family still don't nan kuar can kuaramo, me to yo they take it as their own. yen ka status of leadership ko kwane ne dial maramitel mar ke ji kariem kwore o ben ko ne is a family. So no a political culture me that family may be affected. Ke reason ko ne yes it is our ko don kan mata culture of kwor bishar kano. So dinai bedan me wala governor ko jongle state. Magje ni ke no magje ke queen ne lakini de ko ne de kor. De ko kwen ngak kan dia lia do point de ke chairman. So kan de ko de ko la disappoint ko dinai. Sinai dong wan ram nok dinai along we support of dinai me de jal ke dinai ko politic. That disappointed. So disappointment ya kame problem here one materials go one dong maybe when it is a time for me you kwar me ban dong de tem de jak tin je di de jen di recognition friendship ko politics go one yes ngakamo is supporting during my time ka siyasa and I have to support him but recognize yes is supporting not for granted tim dang ne for granted. So dinai mete kwore joy ko chairman and they con the American get denied in terms of politics. They China is fair look at a struggle deny go they can struggle can with deny in his political endeavor. Now disappointed. Again and con me done me work deny and many people were like dancing. Like a man much. Cha long the point deny to be clear. Logan this year man take a car to la nego de ngak to shoot can take up to today. And they will appear tomorrow because you room a quarter night can what out I come. Now, here do a order and can share man. Like in some condition, they consider. Right now, it's young jug. So that is the reason. So you do me specify go yaran, yaru quaran. Young way long, you let distant. So Toroga can tin network deny that we can say we deny appointed. Why? We accept that. Lakin the area na ya ora joda ko la yer kumen deny. So we need to look into them. Begoro wona ne beroda extend bala kwor let's say nuoridial lodial ke you say jinubi indial can time me e bia kwor chim Ijen ko chuna be yen tam from ta cha poi ge ko everybody will be urang da na member of wildlife ki dong de wo tourism so taro ga la yar ga ko so you look into all this thing be nga yo now this is a third opportunity ga ji ko na ga ji ne dal chu kel ga ji you are a good young man ti ga talk ka ti ga consistent mi chong ga do la chu mi loy do kelo we are supporting you. No more men Luni, the appointment of Honorable Linda Jok Chagor as Minister of Wildlife Conservation and Tourism for the Republic of South Sudan. Mendo dien la reude Bullmel kana parkul. Bullmel kana parkul popularity dien this time. Chechring. Low down. It's going to zero. So Kakor Guadabol right neighbor you Bullmel he has a problem. Bullmel chitel bukilo ne yo kwar mo bekame. So chaga yala plan ideal lot ke self fakir badu be Bullmel be non ke stage. Obo bala deputy chairman ruling party and wo bala four-star general national security and wo bala by president ka republic. Guru ni yoke be gang no kume kir gang ya kir. Which Jen Kiro is the only man with money, desperate of leadership. I can give him this power, but no kuda, Bagang Ramade Bengolo Mudo Korabakan. But me, will welcome Kora young you take it, let me go out. Here, God, here talk. So Mulu Bullmel, this particular time, they take a crutchist. They take a Tigwalga. Galga, Medan Lincoln and the two come in the Wurmula Chale Paul Nan. My shackling and a Paul Nan was today a tribal, today a clanism. ko ka jang kel nam ra meran tuny ra men rana will. So they have that tension. Medane ko gur kiro bana confused. Sure bol mel. Sure moike pre-ants ko dare did but dare organize. Dare fall nang woy dare ramil rana will no dori and dare no. Chada wa turjong chandong la ship for 3 months now. So keep can this 3 months the change has come. Cha fall nang chandong. Fall nang will be strict on bol mel. Cha bol mel will allow to move freely. Never allow. You will be there as a symbol. Because now, as we see, power and Medan exploit self-care is finishing. Because this following day, there are a talk about Ugandan status. Could the Uganda Metal Sudan be Teddy? But Lojok, Lojok, right? A thing la fine can a young audience. And Uganda has a question of what they get that. They get that they can pay. Get deployment of South Sudan, but they need that money. So it's another problem, Bajai. Gursal Bukiru Uganda will go back. Ko Uganda Yaturul. So Tadi and one of the Corbuter can get the Manaru, they will take money. And that money government will not be able to pay. Come what then blood in Medi. Gurgo Lojok. So she bull Melilanga me Mutuga, quite use. After that, by your fair la condom. Parkul Majeda ne column me double. Me jene kalas ba yu ben ba kamwa real machar ba yu cheta bandangai ba taga waziri ba taga yo and all this. Kala zero. So look real machar me. Talk the will me unpredictable. Naga yang or audience predict. As we talk about young and about real machar silent politics. She easy task. Plan A ga but she easy. Go by you ye warar. Leave your revolutionary struggle. He don't much arabano. Go by young much about decapitate. Go down the yen for life. More there. It is the beginning of the problem. Here's solution. Go the young much life they terminate. Oh, then you no go yes. It is a deep rebellion, deep political rebellion, these 3 things. La plan A can a B can see. She go easy to read them. Can process of cordon. So she parkulat ka balance. Ela dar. She jang wa de read no na can an to ko do re machar. Te dang dang will me it's nothing. Be ja yer long mu te mobilization tara bu long mu no. It's now more isolated. Take her on. So she has a precarious position. She par, get the popularity. She young right it. One of Magan Warja right it. Again, things are better here, young mature. And this is the solution of the problem of South Sudan and Uriah Machar. So Muluno Mel can a parkul work in unity. Look at the Guru survive, they need to unite themselves. Otherwise, Brancon the only addition con a door could you look after some time. Bad much I use. Con, we know our political landscape. Tanano Kuria, tribally, Lincoln. Min large go and a corner, we will not stay as native to not politically informed. Mukula Roy Corn social media and Nichang let Coro and a Langnan Tana away, could you know? But I see, where are we? But I kata kur and Anna corner, where are we? But I could in difficulties to corner appears today. What are they? Kumuni. So, Kuono, Manakan Ling can Tinaro Rodian, Ungakamete popularity, Dingakamete popularity, Kagoing Agongu. Come and go a concentration would talk in a while of South Sudan. These are all Tingun Banaling, as we are in them, idea. Number 3, South African Deputy President, the South Sudan. The band is a regional politics. A part of African Union, a part of IGAD, a part of TRICA, a part of the guarantors take on the thing a mal get to 18 take on revitalize. So any for the child fly can the money and security council. Tell a guard. Chana look. Malongna ain't no fresher. Fresher here go ground. I just look now the country alert. We more like on a lar. Chergatana Lana Yakun and let us understand the world, the political landscape of the world. Tana workers here the Windmore. Windmore the central government. Send a central authority. Mide baga wala ya attack nga ke changi nga bring tin be you help me belong kan men and you call actually a release ideology that we are driving in today ka won kijen la realism lan wala ala ro wala ne o be dakla ram tier nya da ngai ngode. So the world of today is your power, your interest first. Tell a country mide la gamapal as we know, every country take a problem. You know, South Africa, they have their own problem. Internal struggle. Take their own economic problem. Can blank the content economic status of South Africa. 15 million white South African, the Canadian economic engine of South Africa, cha Kabakan. Few they have their own problem. Take their own political struggle. We hear about Malima. So we make South Sudan. Baba Chani, their own problem is they can self-care. We know the story of South African National Congress Party. A major decay. A major decay in the wall. No wall, mission work. She party me, Charaga spell them. So there are nothing will change. So we don't mind about we are looking at self-care or which are balado. All in all, we had that one in nature government of South Sudan, Joe, Lonyere, go back to the revitalized peace agreement and all this as the Bible advice and took I hear among you. Go Lonyere, Lawyer Mala, this is the only thing that will have your country out of this chaos, out of this problem. It's not our problem. Self-care. So, man, last one report RJ Mac. RJ Mac, do you take extraordinary session. Which I confirm a peace of South Sudan and a peace agreement. Quite a lap. The collapse. Current way of collapse is because of this so-called special court. And Kurang Machar Mukuyo tried, which is illegal. Jamal Jago Bishmal yo collab. Ja non RJ Mac. So ko yo collab RJ Mac la RJ o government of South Sudan status. A lot of revitalized transitional government of national unity. Yo collab. You know South Sudan this time to go to stage of anarchy. The ruler. Tell a moy right now. So in state of no results of Jamal Chadak. Which Maldak, our position in a revolution is still continuous. The small thing that we are seeing today in any corner to get it taught, a struggle. I mean, come to call a struggle when there is a war. We still continues. So, as a summary of the long content, Chinegal and Wen, Raidamaniam, Honorable Dinner Jok Chagor, Cha appoint a minister. Accept in one. Particularly Jonglei tell Lloyd Nap. Riak and need to call out Quen. Ko sometimes family they interfere deeply, like Yarke Quor. So Madadian Bull Melgana Parkul popularity den open. How Quen reason the country were cupping. So the African Deputy President Jabanko South Sudan Chigan self a kid Chigan Bull Mel. They are discussing our concern, like in general we know that we are by good young mature. They loin, then I'll come out. But then a mal position they charge for the RJ Mac and who collapse. And the reason the condition no collapse, we can the condition of Quen. The call the mayor, Tethin. We don't know major collapse mal, the position of the government of South Sudan to collapse. The con Ganaki, tell the state, Mutakum. So today I look under con ga analyze the cholo this is the day and ban the juk. Thank you.